What you are looking for when you're hiring a design agency, what you are looking for when you are buying new IoT systems, what are you looking for when you need to get 100 million pieces of batteries for your watch, what do you do? And then after that, we can basically make a good structure of the website.
And then they can see the result because it's based purely on performance and not on the way that it looks.
We have the website. We know what exactly we need to do in the website, and it's 3 months project if we do it at the time, which gives to the client a risk of being wrong himself or being forced to do it fast, or we being wrong because we didn't pick up something or we did a mistake somewhere because it was fast. Other thing is that often the client don't care about the beauty. Well, they should care. Everybody should care about website making money. If website doesn't make money, it's expensive hobby, not a sales tool, which it should be. If we can split the whole 3 months project into parts and basically 4 steps. So step 1, to do the analysis of what we have, look at the structure and possibly restructure. Then taking in consideration their colors, have reusable components or library in the webflow, having a template that we can use, and build up the whole website very quick. 3 weeks, whole process, it's 3 weeks. Then the next step is to measure it and copywriting, recopywriting that thing and measure and do user interviews with the people. What do they think about it and measure again. And then after a while, we are doing these iterations. We can just say, okay, this structure is fine. These sections should be in this order because in the meantime, we can change the structure of the website, the measuring tools, look at Hotjar, look at Google Analytics, what makes sense. And now let's build the last step of it, which is a crucial step in the conversions because it gives confidence to the people, to the visitors, and that's the visual aesthetics. So let's build the website the way that it blows their mind. So we do the new typography, new mood boards, and then we design hi-fi website and we develop it. It can take 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, but we know we have proven the structure. We know that the users, that the customers, target customers want it, and we know what we are doing, minimizing the risk for the customer.
Yeah, I think it's a great idea to split it between the performance part of it being at the beginning and then the aesthetics afterwards. I think as well that if you did it like this, it gives potentially a client who's starting with us who has the trust and believes in us but hasn't actually seen a result for their own business yet. I think it gives them a chance to quickly get a result. So like you can see from the beginning, these were the analytics data that we gathered. This was your conversion rate. This was your page views. This was everything else. And then they can see the result because it's based purely on performance and not on the way that it looks. And I think once that first stage is out the way and they've got results from it, they feel like the investment that they're paying for is justified. The amount of money they're spending is justified because they've actually got results.
So it's very important that we learn for us and also for our clients that we learn from like what they are saying us, what are their objections, what are their fears. And this is why it's crucial also that we speak with the salespeople. I was just doing proposal now for a client and they wanted to do landing pages for their websites, our current client. And I said, cool, but I want to speak with the salespeople that are selling this product because I will ask them for the objections they are getting all the time. Not what they want on the website. I don't care what they want on the website. I care about what they have to explain. And the best dream customers, as we did it on our website, so we can just basically get them, sit them down and say, hey, what you are looking for when you're hiring a design agency? What you are looking for when you are buying new IoT systems? What are you looking for when you need to get 100 million pieces of batteries for your watch? What do you do? And then after that, we can basically make a good structure of the website, not based on how somebody feels we should say, but what the customers want us to say to them.
Yeah, I think because sometimes I think you can think it's one thing and then when you actually speak to people, they completely view your product very differently.
I have the same use case with the computers. Like we had with Nicole a lot of back and forth about what is the better computer and that you can buy any other laptop for half price than Apple, but I'm buying buying Apple because I go to the website, I know that it's light, fits to my backpack, 20 hours battery, and you can edit videos on it. And everybody knows that if you edit videos on it, it's good performance laptop. You can take 20 hours of browsing, but 10 hours of editing video, or even 6 hours. That's a good thing. Like, and you go and like other brands websites, and you have their Intel Core 11 8800 megahertz. I have no idea what I can do with that.
If you're not a techie person, you don't even understand what the spec of a computer actually means or how it impacts what you're trying to do.
And the whole user experience is important.